Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to factor a perfect square trinomial. Now, a perfect square trinomial is in this form. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? And this, when you factor it, it will give you a, and then the sign of your middle term, which mine's plus, and then b quantity squared. Hence, perfect square, because a perfect square is something times itself, and it creates a trinomial when you multiply this out. Okay, so let's get our trinomial. Alrighty, so we have x squared minus 10x plus 25. Now, I could treat this by identifying a's and b's, okay? A is the first term that's being squared, so that means that a equals x. This is b squared, so if b squared equals 25, that means that b has to be 5, okay? So a squared was x squared. Taking the square root of that, we get x. B squared was 25. Taking the square root of that, we get 5. So we could say that this equals x plus 5 quantity squared. Now, we have one issue. It's not a plus. We have a minus in the middle. So that means our middle term here has to be a minus. Sorry about that. I guess I'm human too. All right, so there we go. Now we have it. All right, so whatever your middle term is, that's the sign you have between those. That's not too bad. Okay, now what if you didn't recognize this was a perfect square trinomial? Could you have still factored it? Yeah, you could have. We could have done this. We could have said, okay, x squared minus 10x plus 25. I could have just done two sets of parentheses. I know I'm going to have an x and an x. Signs have to be the same. The middle one's a negative, so they're both minus. Okay, and then two numbers that multiply to give you 25, but when you add them together, you get a 10, 5 and 5. You notice this is the same thing because there's two of them as x minus 5 quantity squared. Same thing. All right, so two different ways of doing that. Why? It's just like two different perspectives. That's all. Do whatever is easiest for you. Okay, as long as you can get them right, awesome. All right, have an awesome, awesome day. And if this has helped you, please like and follow. Bye.